Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal the worst refrigerator cleaning mistakes that you should definitely avoid. So, let's get right into it. Mistake number 1, neglecting to unplug the refrigerator before cleaning. It's important to ensure your safety by disconnecting the power source. So, always remember to unplug your fridge before starting the cleaning process. Mistake number 2, using harsh chemicals. Many cleaning products contain abrasive chemicals that can damage the interior surfaces of your fridge. Instead, opt for natural cleaning solutions like a mixture of vinegar and water to effectively remove dirt and odors. Mistake number 3, not removing and cleaning the shelves and drawers. Don't forget to take out all the shelves and drawers from your fridge to give them a thorough cleaning. This will help eliminate any hidden bacteria lurking in those hard-to-reach areas. Mistake number 4, neglecting the door seals. The door seals play a crucial role in maintaining the temperature inside your fridge. So, regularly inspect them for dirt and debris, and clean them using a mild detergent and water solution. Mistake number 5, overcrowding the refrigerator. Overstuffing your fridge can hinder proper air circulation, leading to inefficient cooling and potential food spoilage. Keep in mind to organize your fridge in a way that allows air to flow freely. Mistake number 6, forgetting to check expiration dates. It's easy to overlook expired items in the back of your refrigerator. Regularly go through your fridge and discard any expired or spoiled food items to maintain a clean and healthy environment. And there you have it. By avoiding these common cleaning mistakes, you'll be able to keep your refrigerator sparkling clean and functioning at its best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy cleaning!